So here we have our next worksheet in our sound theme unit. It's called How Do Humans Make Sound? Well, you know that vibrations produce sound. Think of the drum, think of pulling on an elastic band or a guitar string. Vibrations make sound. So how do humans make sound? Well, what to do? Touch your fingers lightly to your throat. So I'm going to touch my fingers to my throat. Say ah, like at the dentist, or sing a song. I'm going to say ah, ah. Using your senses, make observations. What happens? So using your senses, make observations. What happens? Well, I could say, I felt my throat vibrate. In other words, what happens? Well, vibrations. Vibrations is what happened. My throat was vibrating. In fact, what was vibrating was my vocal cords. Here in this picture, it says, humans make sounds using vibrations. The vocal cords in your throat vibrate when you say ah. Color the picture and make the vocal cords pink. So here we've got our tongue and our food channel where the food goes down to get into our tummy, our windpipe where the air goes in and out of our lungs, and right in the middle, this thing that almost looks like a shoe or a musical note, is our vocal cords. So with my pink pencil crayon, I'm going to color the vocal cords pink. That's our vocal cords. Humans make sounds with vibrations. A vocal cord.